Welcome back to my workshop. Now this is just a quick update for the people who watched my last video where I made this grandfather clock out of some scrap wood. I made it for the Rettendon Village Show, which was on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. Just thought I'd give you a quick update and let you know how I got on. Now, this won second prize. So in the articles made of wood, I got a second, which is okay. I'd like a first, but I got a second. It got beaten by a jigsaw puzzle and a bowl come third, an ash bowl. So maybe I'll try again next year. Might be able to do a little bit better. Also, my wife, my good lady wife, she won 2 firsts and a second and 2 thirds. The firsts were in for some onion chutney and some fruit scones. The second prize she won for some chili jam, and 2 third prizes, one for a knitted teddy, which was really good. I'll try and put a picture there, and some carrots. So yeah, she did really well, so I'm proud of her for that. So that was a quick update. Just wanted to let you know how we got on, just in case you was interested. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. That's really loud.